Hello and good morning. Loading up the SUV. Greg and I are gonna go pick up something today, so I'm pretty excited. You'll see what it is. You already know from the title. The hovercraft. Now, you might ask why I'm buying a hovercraft. There's no good reason. Why the f not? I don't think I've driven this on the channel yet. What's up, man?
Not much. Call me your mechanic for the day. I mean, not very often someone calls you. It's like, you want to go buy a hovercraft tomorrow?
Exactly.
Say no to that.
This hovercraft, now it's a Scat 2. It's about 30 years old. I mean, I've always wanted one. I can take it to the lake. You know, it can go on land, go on water, sand, snow, anything. All right, so Greg and I just got here, and there it is. It's a fucking hovercraft. So you use this for one video or two?
Just one rap video. Little Dirk, Young Thug, and Black. This should be good now. Oh, hold on.
So we're trying to get it started, and I wanted to test drive it in this giant parking lot out here. I'm so excited. I brought my racing helmet.
This thing's cool. I want one of these. I've never seen a hovercraft in my rear view before.
Dude, this trailer's a little janky. I really wanted to test drive it, man. Oh, the after bumps too.
Yeah.
We made it. It was harrowing.
We barely made it.
It made a lot of sounds.
Yeah, it was not.
Oh, this is on a hill.
Oh shit.
Let's just leave it here for my neighbors to observe.
Behold!
The hovercraft! This is ridiculous. All right, so Greg and I just got it in the garage, and it looks stupid, but awesome. It is sitting comfortably inside the garage, next to the Ferrari, where it should be. And soon Greg and I will try to get this thing started. Okay, so it's the next day. I might get to pull this thing out. Now, my goal is to start it. Our guess is that it actually has bad gas. It's a 2-stroke engine. So we're talking about like lawnmowers and snowmobiles, stuff like that. But this type of engine only takes a like 50-to-1 oil to gas mixture. My plan is to drain that out, try to get some of it out of the system, and then get some new gas, put a new mixture in, and see how well it starts then. Oh, there we go. Sprayed this in it. The reason why that was just sparking is because the engine is now seized. It's not great. All right, so Greg is back. Hi, Greg.
Hello.
Greg is back, and we've got some parts since last time. This baby's gonna start right up. It's gonna be great.
Bro, this thing is not comfortable. You're gonna have a hell of a time riding this thing.
No, that thing's fucking. So fast forward a bit, and the part that we ordered, the carburetor flange, is not the right size. We need one that's about 10 millimeters wider than this, so we ordered it, and we can't do anything until we have that. So we pretty much put everything back together. The carburetor's good to go. Air filter's good to go. We just need this. So we're not gonna start it up today, but maybe next time.
This weekend, we're gonna be riding the hovercraft in the lake.
Well, first we'll start it in the yard. These look good together. I'm happy with this selection of toys.
All right, so tonight we have Black here. You guys know Black. We're going to try to get this thing started tonight. A new battery. It had issues when Greg and I were messing with it. I'll just use the jump box. Here, you wanna hold this while I try to blow this thing up? Just leaking gas, dude. Here we go. Yeah, man, there's There's gasoline on that.
So we didn't really figure anything out. We're just gonna keep trying and hope it works. That's where we're.
Whoops.
If that doesn't work either, then you could go out and take, completely swap out the inside cylinder thing too.
Does this go that side or that?
See if it sparks. It sucks.
It is now day like 15 of working on this fucking hovercraft. I'm waiting for Black to get here, but we're not gonna work on it right now. We're going to take it to a mechanic. The question is whether or not we have a successful tow with the Rolls Royce. That's the plan. So I'm gonna plan to tow the hovercraft today to the mechanic to get it working with the Rolls. Why not?
Work or not work?
He looks really confident.
We're gonna find out. The looks we are getting right now.
We just started.
Back it in right here.